Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland, and today we'll take a look inside of Dragon Ball Z Season 9 on Blu-ray, the final season of Dragon Ball Z. So, here's the cover, the spine, episodes 254 to 291, the back, zoom in there, and there, and the other spine. Take the cover off, you get a little more of the same. And then there's the back again. Then open it up and you get the episode guide list, which I'll try getting better on. There you go. And then you get disc 1 of the Blu-rays, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I think behind it is, just the logo. So this has been Dragon Ball Z Season 9 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.